Friends, you must have seen many friends of yours, elderly in your family, who are having baldness. A typical male pattern baldness is very, very common. And it is becoming commoner and commoner day by day and is happening for more and more young people. Is it a big disease? No, it doesn't cause any pain. It doesn't cause any great discomfort. But definitely can affect the psyche of the person because it affects the personality. And that's why the person may lose confidence. So everybody wants treatment for it, isn't it? Nobody wants to remain bald, at least in the early age. What you should do if you have baldness? If there is a baldness, there are certain treatments available with the doctors. Firstly, we can give some hair growing lotions. Minoxidil is one of them, which is very, very popular for last 30-40 years and can be safely used. It doesn't have major side effects, preferably under the medical prescription. There are various other drugs which are used by the doctors, but that will definitely require the doctor's consideration and prescription. There are certain treatments. One of them is platelet-rich plasma treatment, in which the doctor takes out your blood, processes it to form something called as platelet-rich plasma, and this material is injected near the hair follicles in the bald area and can increase the possibility of getting good hair growth in that area. For those people who are unable to do platelet-rich plasma treatment, there is some light-emitting diodes, or which is called as low-level light therapy, which can also be used for the same purpose. And if all these measures, the oral medications, the local applications, LLLT or the PRP treatment fail, then we can always consider the possibility of what is called as hair transplantation. Now please remember, hair transplantation is an excellent treatment in which doctors take out hair roots, what is called as occipital area, and plant them in the frontal area where the hair are already lost and the patient is having baldness. And these hair can grow naturally. It is a very, very scientific way of treating this condition so that the patient will get a very nice growth of hair. But please remember that there is a limit how many hair can be taken out from the occipital area. Typically 4,000 to 6,000 hair in lifetime can be taken out from there. And that's why hair transplantation cannot be an answer to each and every patient who comes to us. So we have to select a proper patient where the drugs have failed to give results and the patient has got a considerable baldness in the early working age, maybe in the age group of 25 to 40. That is the right time when we can ask the patient to undergo hair transplantation. Many people ask whether by doing hair transplantation, can we get growing hair? Yes, we can get growing hair because we are not just removing the hair shaft, but along with that hair shaft, the hair follicle and the surrounding apparatus has been taken out and implanted. So, friends, male pattern baldness is a very common kind of baldness. Many people suffer from it, and we have got excellent treatment both in the form of local applications and tablets, some procedures like PRP, and at the end we can consider hair transplantation. Whenever you have such problem or anybody in your family having similar problem, please search for a local dermatologist and consult the person for the same. Whenever you have a problem of male pattern baldness, please search for a local dermatologist who is in your vicinity and take his opinion about your treatment. Thank you.
For more such videos, visit or log into DermaVidya.com.